Hello and welcome to Video Revealed. I'm Colin Smith. Let's have a look at the new LucidLink. All right, I've done a few different tutorials about LucidLink. It's massively powerful cloud sharing collaborative environment, and there's a new LucidLink that's being released. And I say being because some of it's released now and more of the enterprise features are coming out. So I want to go through what's available now. And the great thing about LucidLink is they're ready to talk to anyone. If you're an enterprise user or if you're a YouTuber, there's room for everyone. The first thing is there's now a mobile application. So all of your files are now available right there on the cloud. You'll see all of the file spaces that you're sharing that you've created here, and inside there you can see all of the files that you've been working on, and you can copy links, rename, delete, you can upload, you can create new folders. So there's lots of great file functions that you can do directly on your mobile device, iOS and Android. Another new thing now is the ability to access all of this in a browser. So it looks the same. When I open up my production, I can browse files. And the same thing, I can see all of the files that I'm working on and easily get into those. So everything here, same idea. Over on the right, you can open in the desktop app, copy the link, share, download, all now within a browser. And of course, the great thing here in Premiere Pro is I'm able to edit this, share this, work in teams, so multiple people can actually be working on the same file at once. And multiple people can be working on the same project at the same time. It just makes sharing all the media so much easier. Now these can be full 4K files, they could be proxies, they could be both. You can update, export out to this. And if I open up my clips, this media, if I reveal that in Explorer, you can see there it is, and it's in the in my production right there. And let's not forget how integrated LucidLink is with Adobe applications. There's a LucidLink panel you can open up in Premiere Pro, look at your sequences and bins. You can pin clips and cache clips for performance. It's a fantastic, powerful way to integrate directly with LucidLink and collaborate with other team members. I like that LucidLink is not standing still. They won great with their first version, which they now call LucidLink Classic, and the new one is the new LucidLink. Not all of the enterprise features from Classic have made their way in. They're working on new features like dynamic tiering, and typically you will pay different amounts for storage if it's active or if it's in cold storage, if it's in like an archiving. And what they're working on is a file system where if you don't touch it for 80 or 90 days, it automatically goes to that lower tier. Everything's safe and backed up, but it just moves to that lower tier if it's not being used. Everything now is based on AWS S3 storage, even the entry level. You can download this and try it out for 30 days completely for free right now. I encourage you to do that. If you do any kind of collaboration, then LucidLink is a perfect solution to do that. And not just video files, but any kind of social media, marketing, what have you. The other thing that they've done is they've made onboarding, or they call it onboarding, it's setting up. When you've set up before, there were a few things you had to do with your file system, and it was a little bit chunky to get things ready. Guess what? They got rid of all of that. It's so much easier to install and get started and create file spaces right out of the box. For enterprise, they're going to be supporting SAML-based single sign-on, SSO, Okta, Microsoft Entra ID, lots more, SSO for Android. And I do remember when I was at Adobe, when solutions were rolled out for the whole company worldwide, and SSO was, in its infancy, if a solution wasn't SSO based, then it just wasn't deemed as safe for the organization. And that's why LucidLink is now making SSO a priority across the board to make sure it works directly with enterprise in all of its security. So you can, I just want to show you that you can add members to any group. You can add groups, you can add permissions to any of these. The files that shouldn't be seen by some groups aren't going to be seen by some groups. You have access. You can put marketing people on view only for video assets so they can look at the final output. If you're not already using it, check it out, download it. Link is in the description for you to try it out free for 30 days. And if you're on the enterprise, ask your organization about the new LucidLink and how you're moving into it. They will be creating a tool to move classic file stores to the new LucidLink without copying or duplicating anything. So they're making the transition so much easier. I love that they're not standing still. They're taking an already fantastic, robust, and secure solution and just making it better and easier for all of us. Hey, if you're new to Video Revealed and you found this informative, take a moment and subscribe. Till next time, I'm Colin Smith, and it's my job to keep you informed of the solutions that are out there that can help you with your workflow and with your collaboration.